There's a secret the billion-dollar men's health industry doesn't want you to know, and it's the reason so many men believe that feeling tired, losing desire, and watching confidence slip away after 60 is something they just have to accept. They want you to think the only way back to feeling like yourself is through expensive pills, injections, and endless prescriptions, but what if that's not true? What if the key to reclaiming your energy and vitality isn't hiding in a pharmacy, but is actually sitting quietly in the produce aisle at your local grocery store, waiting for you to notice it? For over 3 decades working with men, I've seen the same pattern repeat. Most men accept decline as a fact of life, believing the best years are behind them, but what proven science shows is something entirely different. There are simple, powerful, natural ways to help your body restore what it's been missing, and it all begins with 3 fruits nature designed as pure, delicious fuel your body not only recognizes but craves when given the chance. Imagine a red fruit that clears the pathways in your arteries, a green fruit that quietly supports your testosterone, and a yellow fruit that helps power every cell in your body with clean energy. This isn't speculation or wishful thinking. It's nutritional therapy backed by rigorous research and confirmed by the real stories of men who turned their lives around, men who went from feeling invisible and drained to feeling strong, confident, and alive again. And today, you're going to discover exactly how these 3 simple fruits can create a powerful shift in your physical energy, emotional stability, and intimate well-being. What you learn here could redefine how you age and how you live each day. If you're ready to feel different, stay with me because at the end, there's a small but powerful tweak that can supercharge everything you learn here, helping you feel the difference faster and more deeply. The first fruit we're diving into might surprise you because it isn't an exotic supplement or a rare superfood you need to order online. It's the pomegranate, a nutritional treasure proven to help restore healthy circulation, support prostate health, and bring back firmness where it matters most. I remember a man, 72 years old, who once came to me, slouched in his chair, with a quiet voice saying he just wasn't the man he used to be. His energy was gone, confidence felt like a distant memory, and intimacy had faded to the background. What he didn't know was that his struggle wasn't simply age, it was a problem modern science understands well, and that problem was blood flow. The pomegranate is packed with polyphenols, including a compound called punicologen, which acts like clean, premium fuel for your blood vessels. These compounds help fight oxidative stress, protecting the delicate lining of your arteries while also helping your body boost nitric oxide levels, the molecule responsible for relaxing and expanding blood vessels so blood can flow freely, especially to the areas men need it most as they age. Clinical studies have shown that men who drank pomegranate juice daily experienced significant improvements in the quality and duration of their performance in just 2 weeks. No prescriptions, no side effects, just the body awakening and responding to what it needs. That man, who once came in defeated, started drinking 6 ounces of pure pomegranate juice every morning, and when he returned, he was a new version of himself. His posture was straighter, his eyes were brighter, and he told me his wife was looking at him differently, and it wasn't magic, it was simply science working the way it's meant to work. When the body gets the support it needs. If you feel like intimacy and energy are just memories, don't rush to pills. Start with pomegranate, because it's a starting point for rebuilding what you thought you lost. The second fruit that supports this journey is one many men overlook. It's the avocado, and it quietly works behind the scenes to support testosterone naturally. I once heard a man in his late 60s say he didn't feel like a man anymore. And the frustration in his voice was something I've heard countless times. He was active, doing his best to stay healthy, but something had shifted inside him. His desire, energy, and sense of drive had faded, not just in intimate moments, but in life itself. This feeling is something many men blame on age alone, but the truth is it often comes down to testosterone levels that naturally decline over time. And testosterone isn't just a number on a lab report. It's that feeling of fire in your gut when you wake up ready to take on the day. It's the confidence you carry in your voice, the strength in your handshake, and the quiet drive that fuels purpose and connection. While most look for patches or pills, nature offers a simple, powerful alternative through the avocado. This creamy fruit is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are the essential building blocks your body needs to produce testosterone naturally. It also provides magnesium and zinc, two minerals that play a crucial role in maintaining hormonal balance for men. And it contains vitamin B6, which helps lower cortisol, the stress hormone that silently strangles testosterone production over time. One man who felt invisible started adding just half an avocado to his day, and within a week, his energy started to return. He felt more present, his mood lifted, he slept better, and that quiet drive he thought was lost started to flicker back to life. Your body isn't broken or beyond repair. It just needs the right fuel, and avocado offers that, not only supporting your hormones, but also protecting your heart, which is a key part of maintaining performance and vitality as you age. These two fruits, the pomegranate and the avocado, work together to help restore circulation and support natural testosterone, building a foundation for true, lasting energy. But there's one more fruit that completes this journey, one that often gets overlooked because it seems too simple, too ordinary to be powerful. Yet it is one of the most important pieces for restoring energy and stability every single day. And it might already be sitting on your kitchen counter, ready to help you reclaim your vitality. The fruit that completes this journey toward restoring your energy and quiet strength is the banana, a fruit so familiar it's often underestimated. Yet its power to fuel your body and mind is exactly what many men over 60 need to reclaim their vitality. There was a man, 73, a retired school principal, who came to me sharing a feeling I hear often. He told me he was tired, not just physically, but in his mind and spirit, waking up each day already feeling drained, as if life itself had become heavier. It wasn't sadness, it was depletion, a quiet erosion of energy that made him feel like he had lost his edge. I asked him a simple question that many overlook: when was the last time he felt truly energized after breakfast? And he paused before admitting that he usually skipped breakfast entirely, thinking it would help him feel lighter or more in control. The truth is, especially after 60, your body needs a clear signal in the morning, a message that says it's time to wake up, time to fuel every cell so your heart, your muscles, and your brain can function as they're meant to. The banana, often dismissed as just a quick snack, is a key to that signal. Bananas are loaded with potassium, a mineral that does more than just prevent cramps. It protects the health of your arteries, helps manage blood pressure, and ensures that the blood flow supported by you. Our pomegranate routine can move freely throughout your body, reaching the areas that support your vitality and performance. Alongside potassium, bananas are rich in magnesium and vitamin B6, nutrients that work quietly to support your blood vessels and protect your arteries, helping your body maintain a healthy, steady flow of energy. But the true magic of the banana lies in how it supports energy production. At the cellular level, your cells rely on the nutrients in bananas to produce clean, consistent energy without the spikes and crashes that leave you feeling worn out by midday. Bananas help regulate blood sugar naturally, providing a smooth, steady release of energy that helps you feel stable and present in your day. They also contain tryptophan, which your body converts into serotonin, the feel-good hormone that helps lift your mood and calm your mind, reducing the stress that silently drains your energy as you age. When that man began starting his day with a banana, sometimes paired with a bit of peanut butter and a glass of water, the change came quickly. He returned to me saying he didn't just feel more energy, he felt steady, like he could think clearly again without crashing or feeling overwhelmed. And that small change began to ripple into every part of his life. When your energy flows consistently, everything becomes easier. Walking, thinking, staying connected with those you love, and showing up fully during the moments that matter most all become possible again. The banana might seem simple, but it's a foundational tool for restoring your vitality each day. Working in harmony with the pomegranate that supports your circulation and the avocado that fuels your testosterone, building a structure of energy and stability that you can feel as you move through your day. This is where many men begin to realize that aging doesn't have to mean decline. It can become a time of reclaiming strength, purpose, and energy, not through synthetic shortcuts but through supporting your body with what it needs most. The truth is, your body is not beyond healing, it is not past the point of restoration, and it is always ready to respond when given the right tools in the right order. And these 3 fruits are not just foods but signals to your body that you are ready to choose life, vitality, and presence again. Imagine waking up and knowing you have a clear, simple plan to support your health every morning, not with complicated supplements or endless bottles, but with nature's own design working for you from the moment you start your day. This is why I share what I call the morning vitality ritual. A simple yet powerful daily practice that can transform the way you feel and function, helping you reclaim the quiet confidence and steady energy that make each day meaningful. This ritual is not about chasing youth, it's about choosing to live fully right now, with the strength and stability that allows you to show up for yourself and for those you love, even as the years move forward. This simple practice begins with 6 ounces of pure pomegranate juice to support your circulation, half an avocado to provide the healthy fats and nutrients that help balance your hormones and energy, and 1 banana to fuel your cells and mind with clean, steady energy. Together, these 3 fruits work in harmony, creating a foundation of support that helps your body begin the day with a message that it is time to rebuild, to restore, and to live with strength. The pomegranate opens your arteries and supports blood flow. The avocado helps your body stabilize and use the banana sugars without spikes. And the banana provides the potassium that supports the nitric oxide boosted by your pomegranate juice, creating a synergy that is more powerful than any isolated supplement you could take. This is how you begin to reclaim your vitality in a way that feels natural, sustainable, and aligned with how your body was designed to function. It takes just a few minutes each morning, but the ripple effect can transform your days, helping you feel more present, more focused, and more capable of living your life with quiet confidence and steady strength. Try this simple ritual for 1 week, and pay attention to how your body responds, how your mornings feel, and how your energy carries you through the day. Notice how your mind feels clearer, your movements feel easier, and your presence in your relationships begins to strengthen. You are not meant to fade quietly into the background as you age. You are meant to live with vitality, to feel strong, and to experience the moments of your life with energy and purpose. This is not about reversing time, but about stepping into the strength that is still within you, waiting to be claimed. Choosing these simple, powerful steps each day is a way of telling your body that you are ready to live fully. And when you give your body what it needs, it will respond with the energy, clarity, and quiet confidence you may have thought was gone forever. If you are ready to discover the final piece that will amplify the effects of this simple morning ritual and help you experience results even faster, let me know, and I will share exactly how you can supercharge this journey and anchor these changes into your daily life with ease. The journey toward reclaiming your vitality does not end with simply adding 3 fruits to your morning. It is about creating a message to your body each day that you are ready to live with strength, energy, and quiet confidence. It is about shifting the narrative you have been told about aging, rewriting the story that fatigue, low desire, and a quiet fading into the background are inevitable. They are not. The truth is, your body responds when you give it the right support in the right way, and as you continue this journey, there is one final step that will help supercharge everything you have begun to rebuild. This step is about timing, consistency, and creating a small but powerful habit that amplifies the effects of your morning ritual so that you can feel the difference not just in your mornings but throughout your day. The simple addition that accelerates this journey is hydration. Many men overlook the power of water, but your body's ability to use the nutrients from the pomegranate, avocado, and banana depends on how well your cells are hydrated. Every process in your body, from energy production to circulation to hormone balance, requires water to function optimally. When you combine your morning vitality ritual with 16 to 20 ounces of clean water first thing upon waking, you help your body flush out the waste that accumulates overnight. allowing your cells to absorb and utilize the nutrients from your fruits with greater efficiency. This hydration primes your metabolism, supports digestion, and creates an internal environment where your cells can generate energy cleanly and steadily, helping you feel a difference in your mental clarity, physical energy, and overall sense of readiness as you move into your day. This small tweak is powerful because it is not about adding another supplement or chasing another quick fix, but about aligning your body with the natural rhythms that support restoration. Hydration combined with your morning fruits creates a synergy where your blood flow is supported, your hormones are balanced, and your cellular energy is fueled in a way that feels steady and sustainable. It is a message to your body that you are ready to prioritize strength and vitality, and your body in return responds with clarity, focus, and the quiet energy that carries you through your day with a sense of presence and control. As you move forward with this daily practice, notice how your mornings begin to feel different, how your body feels more awake without relying on caffeine alone, how your mind feels clearer, and how your energy no longer crashes by mid-morning. Notice how your confidence begins to return, not because of an external promise, but because you are experiencing the steady rebuilding of your strength from the inside out. This is the foundation of reclaiming your vitality as you age, and it is a foundation built not on fear or quick solutions, but on the powerful, quiet consistency of giving your body what it truly needs each day. In these moments, you will begin to realize that aging does not have to be a slow decline into weakness. It can become a chapter where you reclaim your presence, your focus, and your strength, living each day with a clear mind and a body that feels capable and ready to move, connect, and show up fully for the moments that matter most. This is not about chasing a version of youth, but about stepping into a version of yourself that feels energized, clear, and strong, using nature as designed to support you in living the life you want without fear of slowing down or fading away. If you have stayed with me this far, it means you care about showing up fully in your life, about honoring the years you have lived while embracing the years ahead with confidence and readiness. You now have the tools to begin this journey with clarity, starting each morning with 6 ounces of pure pomegranate juice, half an avocado, and 1 banana, paired with clean water to support absorption and hydration. You have the understanding of why these steps matter and how they align with your body's needs to support circulation, hormonal balance, and clean energy, giving you a clear path to reclaiming your vitality naturally and sustainably. This is your invitation to take ownership of your mornings, to choose to live with strength, and to begin each day by sending a message to your body that you are ready to rebuild. And as you feel these changes, as your energy returns, your mind clears, and your presence strengthens, you will see how these small choices begin to ripple into every area of your life, supporting your relationships, your sense of purpose, and your ability to live with quiet confidence each day. If this message resonates with you, share it with a man you care about, a father, a brother, a friend, someone who deserves to know that vitality does not have an expiration date, and that restoration is possible without relying on synthetic solutions. And if you have questions or a specific concern about men's health that you want clarity on, share it in the comments so this space can continue to support you with practical, honest information that helps you navigate aging with strength and purpose. Your journey toward reclaiming vitality begins with one choice, one morning, and one commitment to showing up for yourself. As you choose these steps, remember that you are not meant to simply survive the years ahead, but to live them fully with energy that carries you into each day, ready to move, think, and connect with clarity and confidence. This is not the end of your story. It is the start of a new chapter, and you have the power to write it exactly as you choose, one morning at a time.